Hi, my name is Sergeant First Class DaCosta, and I am your Army Reserve Career Counselor out of Fort Sill, Oklahoma. I look like I'm 5 years old. My name is Sergeant First Class DaCosta, and I look like a Sergeant First Class, and that is the reason why I can speak with you today. Okay. And I can do this! This is actually my bedroom.
This is your night place?
This is my bedroom, my night place, my personal dwelling and abode. And I am opening up my home to you so that you can see who I am and know who you're dealing with. I need glasses, bro. I need glasses, so you're just gonna have to deal with whatever you're dealing with. That's right. Just when you think you've got it all figured out, you realize that you were just born yesterday. The purpose of this short presentation is to let you know that I'm here to answer any questions that you might have while you're in the IRR, and to let you know about the benefits that are available to you. So, I would like to invite you to be a part of the community